Okay guys, so maganda to, may medyo varied perspectives tayo, no? Current player, super legend, okay? So si Kai Sotto pag-uusapan natin, and syempre kayo, all you want is to see Kai choose the best decision, make the best decision, and become the best version of Kai Sotto that he can be. Ngayon, meron na siyang pagpipilian. He can either go to Europe, there are supposedly 4 teams na interesado sa kanya, or the United States. In Europe, dyan yung Real Madrid, Barcelona, these 2 teams are interested in Kai. Then there are other 2 European teams, yung Saski Baskonia, tsaka yung Alba Berlin, na ito talagang dalawa, as far as we understand, ito yung talaga super gusto siyang makuha. And now, meron ng interesado from the United States. Reportedly, the Texas University Longhorns and the Gonzaga University Bulldogs. No? Baka lamang yung Gonzaga, Jesuit School. baka naman maging factor yun. So ito ngayon ang tanong, Poy, Boss Jerry, saan ba mas gagaling si Kai? Mag-train sa Europe o mag-train sa United States? Jerry?
Well, sa akin, kung sabihin mong gagaling, siyempre, it will come from him yung paggaling niya, whether kahit saan naman siya maglaro eh. Pero, I'm begging for Kai, kunin mo na. Kung let's say,
kung saan man.
Kung saan man, kung may offer ka dyan sa Europe, get it. While it's hot, while it's there, and yung chance of a lifetime to, hindi lahat ito ino-offer sa kahit sa ibang mga players, athletes.
Poy?
For me, I think kung saan siya mag-improve, siguro sa style of play ngayon yung mga big man tumitira sa labas, may post move. So kung gusto niya mag-evolve pa yung laro niya, I think he should go to Europe.
Bakit? Bakit sa tingin mo mas gagaling siya sa Europe?
Kasi yung game natin ngayon, kahit sa NBA, na-adapt natin yung game sa Europe eh. So most likely, pag nandun siya, magmamature sa lalo. And then kung pupunta siya sa States, I don't think, kasi hindi pa siya ganun potential siya eh. So, kung sa ngayon, nakikita natin siya nakalaban niya yung mga high school players, makikita mo talaga ready. Pero pag naglaro ka na sa competition na makakalaban mo kasing height mo rin, ganun din, mas magagaling pa sa'yo, mas mag-improve ka pa, and mas yung potential mo, sabi nga ni Coach Tab, narinig ko yung sabi niya na, if you wanna improve, you go to Europe. I think that's the best parang advice na mabibigay siguro ng kahit na sinong coach. Lalo na si Coach Tab na alam niya doon siya galing eh. So, I think, for me talaga, kung gusto niya mag-improve, mag-mature as a player, and yung skills niya mas tumaas pa, I think should go to Europe.
Ano ba yung meron sa European style, Jerry, that would, I guess, allow Kai, if let's say the dream is for Kai na mag-NBA, alright? Bakit Europe would give him that best opportunity to, make it to the NBA?
Number 1, kasi they're all fundamentally sound, tapos talagang lahat sila equipped. Siyempre, alam mo na, football-oriented rin yung mga yan kahit papano. So, you have to, i-master mo muna yung basics. Tapos, from there, nakita parang lesser ang competition doon. Hindi siya masyado matraumatize. Kasi, alam mo naman, pag sa US ka naglaro, ang dami ding malalakas dyan. So, baka, we'll never know, baka pick up in rin siya from Europe kung hindi siya going to States. So, sa akin, I would rather, mas better sa akin yung Europe kung kukunin niya.
Thank you for watching The Score. Don't forget to subscribe to ABS-CBN Sports YouTube channel to be updated with the latest games.